Hello again, YouTube. Rickadil here for part 18 of my series of 20. So let's just jump in because I have a lot to show, I guess, this time. I have these triple crosses, 3 of them still in the box. You know, sometimes I go to thrift stores, yard sales and all that, and I find some stuff like this, and I can't pass stuff like that for $2 or $3. Top spin. I think this was like 99 cents. I have a disco puzzle, or something it's called, an octo puzzle. The bracelet puzzle. World's smallest Rubik's cube. A friend of mine gave me that. Missing link. Vintage, still in the package. Alright, I don't know what that's called again. I already showed one before. Like a hexagonal die pyramid with the top and bottom cut off. The vintage elegant star still in the package. Hello Kitty, cute. That one, it's not in that great of a shape. The box is kind of messed up, but good job. Another one that's a lot better shape. There you go. Octagonal pyramid, or octagonal. Anyway, I want to make myself look dumb here. Okay. Anyway, the brain cube. I have that one, and I have this one without a lid. Like a 3x3. It's made out of some kind of hard plastic. It's kind of tacky a little bit. Not too bad, but it's cute. My granddaughter thought it was pretty gross. I just got that in. Tweety Bird, 2x2. Looks good. I had another one of those without the numbers, and I got this one with the numbers. I forget what that one's called, but it is really cool. I think it's really cool. It's a 3x3 solve, but the shape makes it look really cool. I don't even know what that's called. I just got that in also, like 2 days ago. Kind of pyramids. The circle in the middle, with a super pull in the barrels. Got these barrels here. There you go. Okay, this one's all gold. Like, ooh, that's hard to solve. And this one actually has colors. I have this one, and I don't even know what it's called, but it's still sealed in a little package. People ask me sometimes, why do you get them if you don't know how to solve them, or you don't even know what they're called? Well, I did know what they're called, but you know, well, I forget. I have a lot of puzzles. This one I couldn't even find a name for, so maybe one of you guys know it out there. Rubik's mates. And it's a little plastic case. couple of Saturns. a gripple, still in the package. A Rubik's flashlight. Yeah. A little Heineken beer 3x3 keychain cube. Cute. Magic triangle puzzle. A little Hello Kitty cube. 2. Uh, 2x3x3 super cube, I guess. One with the circle. Pink elephant. Well, it's not a Twisty puzzle, but it's a cool puzzle. I have another one that's not open. I mean, that is open. This one has not been opened. A little mini. I guess what it's called. Anyway. There they are. Gotta get all the balls in the colors right here. I'm moving these and flipping them back and forth. Crazy blocks. Instant Insanity. We have Full Spool. And a like quarter machine card. These are things that you could have won, so I have like whatever cubes. Got it has Q*bert, Popeye, I guess I like the video game, Pac-Man, Donkey Kong. There was a Miss Pac-Man too, if I can remember somewhere. I don't see it right now. There she is, Miss Pac-Man. So that was pretty cool too. And there's one more thing I wanted to show you, but I forgot to bring it in this room. So I'm going to have to run to the back room and get it. And my little friend will keep you company there. Okay, I'm back. And this is what I wanted to show you. It is a whole case of Rubik's Cubes from 1982, made in Korea. These were all before they were put in the box, the packages. There are 100 of them. 100 Rubik's Cubes in this box. 5 by 5, and there's 4 layers. And pretty cool. Well, again, that is it for this part 18. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a wonderful day.